Is this Switzerland? No. Is this Canada? No. Is this New Zealand? No. This is Nepal's best kept secret. I'm going to tell you everything about this wonderland. The beautiful landscape and deafening silence here makes me more quiet as well, as though I don't want to say anything at all for fear of disturbing nature's beautiful song. That a place that can be so magical in the winter even without the snow must be truly a piece of heaven throughout the year. The rivers are frozen, we see little pieces of ice and snow everywhere, and the trees are still welcoming us with their beautiful sounds.